Padarayanapura remains on the edge after violence in the area. Heavy security is in place and senior officials are also present at the spot, monitoring the situation closely. Cops conducting a flag march as part of area domination exercise. Hundreds of police personnel, including senior officers, were seen conducting the flag march to instill confidence among the residents. The health workers who were trying to shift people who are suspected to be contacts of COVID-19 patients were attacked by a mob of over 100 people. The BBMP staff health workers were trying to carry out their duty as they have been doing all these days, but a few miscreants assaulted those who risk their lives for us. The BBMP staff, health and ASHA workers also were assaulted by the Padarayanapura residents when the officials tried to quarantine 58 individuals who were suspected to be the contacts of COVID-19 positive patients. Now here you can see special forces monitoring the situation. Padarayanapura continues to remain on the edge after violence was witnessed in the area. Several senior politicians, including Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, condemned the violence that took place in Padarayanapura, where health workers, the ASHA workers, as well as the BBMP staff were attacked. The Chief Minister very explicitly has said that the government is not going to tolerate such activities. Heavy security in place. These are the live visuals coming in from Padarayanapura. There you can see the cops, heavy police presence. These people are now the cops, in fact, who have been working around the clock, are now instilling confidence in the people, stating that they have nothing to worry about as the cops are there to take good care of the people around. Do remember that yesterday Home Minister Basavaraj Bommai also had pulled up the cops and asked them why did they not act more swiftly. What's even more shocking is that a few policemen also were assaulted by these thankless bunch of people who have now been arrested. Total of 141 arrests so far have been made in Padarayanapura violence case. The people who in fact indulged in violence demanded the local MLA Zamir Ahmed Khan be brought to the spot, as they'll only listen to the MLA. Yesterday, much to the shock of everyone, the MLA also gave out a statement in the media, but he questioned the timing of the health officials rather than condemning the violence that took place. He went on to say that what was the need of the officials carrying out the exercise during the night time? Why could not they do the same during the daytime? Later, very conveniently, he also made a U-turn, stating that he never blamed the healthcare workers. He only said that the people who indulged in violence are uneducated lot. But even if they are educated, they sure know that this is not right to attack any other fellow human being in any stretch of the imagination. Hundreds of police personnel here you can see, including senior officers, now conducting a flag march to instill confidence among the residents. Flag march is being conducted as part of area domination exercise. The ASHA workers, the BBMP staff as well as the health workers were chased to a certain distance. The violent mob attacked them and also pelted stones at them. All of this only because they were trying to quarantine 58 individuals who were suspected to be the contacts of COVID-19 positive patients. This is how the violent mob chose to thank those who have been risking their lives, who have been working relentlessly round the clock, ensuring our safety. This is how the people of Padarayanapura, how the violent mob chose to repay them. Special Garuda forces also have been deployed in the area as a precautionary measure. Garuda forces deployed in several parts of Padarayanapura. 141 people have been arrested and 4 are currently in the police custody. Special forces are currently on standby and will be used only if necessary. Yesterday, the Commissioner of Police Bhaskar Rao has also made it crystal clear that such activities will not be tolerated, and the cops have been given a free hand to deal with the vandals. R. Ashoka, the revenue minister, also said that this is absolute gundagardi. On one side, the state government is doing all that they possibly can. They've also extended the lockdown to ensure the spread of novel coronavirus is contained. On the other side, we have been continuously witnessing attacks on healthcare workers, ASHA workers coming in light from various parts of the state. This is the time to be united, to help those who have been risking their lives and not to indulge in any kind of violence.